Hello, this is Sindhuja with the Bayen Group, and today I'm going to show you how to customize folders on SharePoint by changing their colors, categorize your folders or files with columns, make views, and get notified whenever new files are added. In this video, we will cover the following items: creating new folders with a variety of color options, modifying the colors of existing folders, enhancing file and folder organization with categorized columns, optimizing file management using different views, staying updated on file changes with the rules feature. Navigating through numerous files on SharePoint can often result in a sea of yellow, making it hard to distinguish the organization and give off a monotonous look. The ability to alter folder colors, adding columns with category choices, using views to see a subset of files, and tracking files by making rules allows for additional organizational options, while also elevating the interface's visual appeal and user experience. To begin, I'll start off by showing you how to create colored folders in SharePoint. First, navigate to the library you would like to add your folder in. Click on New, then Folder. A pop-up will come up prompting you to name your folder as well as choose the folder color you'd like it to be. As of 2024, there are 16 colors that SharePoint provides out of the box to customize folders. Once you input the name and color, you can click Create, and the new folder will be created with your chosen color. To change an existing folder into a different color, you can right-click on the folder, hover over Folder Color, and choose the color you'd like to change it to. Once you select, you should see your old folder color being updated to the new color. And that's how you create and modify folder colors in SharePoint. Now I will show you how you can use columns to further categorize your files. Navigate to the library with all your folders and files in SharePoint. When you look at all the column headers, there will be an option to add column. Once you click on that, a little pop-up box will show the type of column you would like to add. The options range from numbers, dates, choices, and more. In my case, I want to be able to see all my important files, so I will go ahead and click Choice and then Next. Choose the name of your column and input a description for what that column is tracking for other people looking at this library to understand how it's categorized. For the sake of this video, I will not be adding a description. Add your choices. In this example, I will go ahead and add one choice. Then I'll click Save. To tag your files with the options you created, you can go to Edit Grid View, double-click on the cell underneath the new column you just created for your respective file. So I want to be able to tag any important files, so I would go to a file, double-click on that cell, and click Important. Now that my file is marked as important, I'm going to click Exit Grid View to save it. If I only want to see my important files and remove everything else from the screen, I can go ahead and create a view for this. A view in SharePoint basically displays your files with a filter added on top of it. To do this, go to the All Documents dropdown on the top right, click on Create New View. You can add a name for your view and choose how you'd like it to be displayed. There are 3 different layouts: List, Calendar, Gallery. For this video, I'll go ahead with List, and I'll make this a public view. Click Create. Once the view is created, the dropdown will update to the name of the new view. Click on that dropdown again, then go to Edit Current View. Scroll all the way down until you see Filter. And click on Show Items only when the following is true. Add in your condition. So for the first dropdown, you select the column that has the information you would like to apply the filter with. In this case, we want to only show the important files, and that information is only in the Attention column. I will go ahead and choose the attention column. Since our files are tagged as important, we want to only select files with that tag. So we will say show the items when column attention is equal to important. You can do an and or and add another condition as well. For now, we will keep that blank. I'm going to click OK. And once we click OK, you will see that the view will only filter the important files and the rest are gone. Since we only labeled one file as important, we only see one file show up here. Again, when you click on the View dropdown, you can see all the different views that you created and navigate through them. To note, SharePoint is permission-based, meaning that you only see the items you have the right access to. Therefore, if you don't have access to a particular folder or file, you will not see it regardless of it being tagged as important or not. Now that I have shown you how to categorize columns, I will show you how to use rules to stay notified whenever a new file is added, deleted, or if data in a column changes. From the library, click on the Automate drop-down button. So I'm going to go. Now that I have shown you how to categorize columns, I will show you how to use rules to stay notified whenever a new file is added, deleted, or if data in a column changes. From the library, click on the Automate drop-down. Now that I have shown you how to categorize columns, I will show you how to use rules to stay notified whenever a new file is added, deleted, or if data in a column changes. From the library, click on the Automate drop-down button. Now that I've shown you how to categorize columns, I will show you how to use rules to stay notified whenever a new file is added, deleted, or if data in a column changes. From the library, click on the Automate dropdown, hover over Rules, and click on Create a Rule. Click on Notify Someone when a new file is added, and it opens a field to enter the email addresses the notification should go to. I want to email Alex and Adele whenever a new file is added, so I will type in both of their names, then click Create. It's as simple as that. Now, whenever a new file is added to that document library, both Adele and I will get notified that a new file got added. So I will show you an example of this. If I create a new file, this is our new test file that we created, and a notification should be sent to Alex's inbox and Adele's inbox. There you go. An email was sent saying a new document was just added to the library. Adele should also be getting the same email. So this is Adele's email. And Adele also got that same email saying a new document was added. You can manage your rules or turn them off or on when you go to manage rules as well. Manage rules, you can turn it on or off. And that's it, you've made it to the end. Now you know some useful tips you can use to personalize and organize your folders and files on SharePoint. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and tricks video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, and we will see you next time.